Namaste and welcome to everyone in my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare something good for you guys, and once again, it's related to chicken because I love chicken a lot. Um, so that's why I have thought of preparing only chicken dishes as of now, but later on I will be including more other dishes as well. Hi guys, now we start with the chicken to be fried first, and we are using olive oil to be precise. I'll be showing you the packet right away. Yeah, that's olive pomace oil. It's product of Spain, and you can use it anytime to cook. I put it on sim so that I don't burn anything out there. Now we start frying the chicken. As you can see, I'm keeping them very separately because I don't want to get them stuck. So that's why we are doing it very separately. You need to twist and turn also. You can use this as well, or else I've got another scoop which will make it easier for me to twist it. You need to fry it well. So yeah, and then we continue frying it for some time till it's golden brown. As you can see guys, it's fully fried and ready, ready cooked well. So I'm going to take them and keep them in the absorber. Yeah, now we are gonna do the rest. So that's the remaining chicken, as you can see. It's getting fried, and we'll wait for the remaining chicken to be fried, and then we'll proceed further. Garlic first, and then we put on the onions, which I've cut soft in pieces. I'm doing it this way because I have not separated it when I was cooking the chicken. Yeah, after it turns golden brown, I'm going to put the ginger. Now I'm gonna apply the main ingredient, that's capsicum. Go into chicken. Now we go ahead and apply the soy sauce, which are made with mixture of tomato sauce and sweet chili sauce. So now we are going to stir it well, and then we're going to mix it well and then make a good slurpy kind of thing for the chicken to go in. And then now we will be applying cornstarch, corn flour. I mean, corn flour mixed with thing makes it slurpy, like makes it thick for the chicken gravy to melt in to the chicken. Now we are doing that right away in front of you in the video, and then we're gonna go ahead and make the chicken gravy really good for the chicken to be placed inside after it gets cooked well. Okay, so now we are putting it on sim and we are slowly putting in the chicken now, one by one. So now I've put all the chicken pieces in the curry. Now it's getting twisted and turned. Saute the whole thing up and down. As you can see, it's getting really good. It's going really well. And then we're going to see what's on the upcoming video that we explore on this video. Don't skip the video for any purpose. You might miss an important point. And make sure that you've got your coriander leaves ready, chopped and just ready for putting it in the chicken. So now after we put the coriander leaves, that's dhania pata in Nepali and Hindi, we are gonna do a small thing that's promoting the channel. Now I'm just gonna tell you, if you are new to this channel, please do support me and like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends if you like my video, and stay tuned for further more videos. Thank you.